Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to link your Square account to Wix. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to sync your inventory products and customer data seamlessly between both platforms, saving you time and reducing manual data entry. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, turn your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll see several options listed. Click on Apps and a drop-down selection will appear with additional choices. From this drop-down, go ahead and click on App Market. This is where you'll find all the software integrations available for your Wix site. After clicking on App Market, you'll be directed to the Wix App Marketplace. This is essentially a hub where all the software integrations are readily available for you to browse and install. You'll notice there are countless apps here designed to extend your site's functionality, so it's a great place to explore when you need specific features. To save time and navigate directly to what we need, start by entering Square into the search bar at the top of the page. Once you've typed that in, press Enter. This will filter the results and show you only the apps related to Square, making it much easier to find exactly what you're looking for. You'll now see various results appear on your screen. From these results, look for the one labeled Square Integration. It should have a description that reads Sync Inventory, Products and Customers. Once you've located it, click on it to proceed to the next step. You will now be directed to the App Overview page. This page provides detailed information about the integration, including its features, pricing structure, and client ratings. Take a moment to scroll down and read through everything carefully. It's always a good idea to check out what other users are saying in the ratings section to get a sense of how well the app performs. Once you're ready and satisfied with what you've reviewed, click on Add to Site. At this point, you'll be presented with Square's terms of use, along with a list of all the authorization requests and access permissions that the app requires. These might include access to your product catalog, inventory, or customer information. It's important to read through each feature by clicking on the items listed, so you fully understand what you're granting access to. Once you've reviewed everything and are comfortable proceeding, click on Agree and Add. The integration will then automatically be added to your Wix account, and your Square data will begin syncing. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Square account to Wix, and your inventory and customer data will now stay in sync across both platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.